హలో హాయ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండి. అర్చన మ్యామ్ హాయ్, భాను గారు హాయ్, క్రాంతి గారు హాయ్, చంద్రకళ గారు హాయ్, అమర్దీప్తి మ్యామ్ హాయ్, హౌ యూ? సో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు all of my Indian clients and thank you for the amazing response which we had yesterday Andy. It's all clean sold. Thank you for that. Hi from Bangalore. Hi. Swati Santosh. Hi. Subbalakshmi, I'm good. Nagashri Garu. Hi. So we are gonna do the beautiful Banarasi sarees Andy. Banarasi Tussar sarees. A lot of people have been waiting for this collection. Neelam, hi. Anushri Garu, hi. Swati, hi. So I think everybody is done with their office and going back homes. Some entertainment for them in the travel, I believe. Swati, hi. I wore a beautiful thick bottle green pure Banarasi tussar. It's very nice. I'm safe, Swati. Thank you. Neck piece is super. Thank you. Sam, hi. Sam, you don't have this collection. Check this collection. This is very nice. What is the price range of the sari? Jewelry looks good. Thank you, ma'am. It's a statement jewelry. What I'm wearing, it's very beautiful. And I was just seeing my live yesterday. I think I used the word beautiful hundreds of times in the live. Sunita, hi. Hema Ramesh, hi. Eating. Super neck piece. Where did you get it from? I'll tell you, ma'am. I'm just waiting for the audience to build so that I can disclose everything. Yesterday in the midnight late hours we did the Banarasi Georgette and thank you for the amazing response on that. Bangalore, not yet ma'am. We would love to come soon provided if the 6 to 6 lockdown is over over there. Sri Jyoti, hi. Jyoti Mahinder Garu, hi. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. Pallavi Garu, hi Andy. Kiranmai, hi. So this episode we are going to do the beautiful Banarasi Georgettes, Tussar Georgettes Andy. Whatever I'm wearing has complete weaving and this beautiful jewelry is by Pawan Mo Jewelers. I so love these earrings. See these earrings? It's all made in Pachi and Muvlu. And this neck piece is also so nice. Lakshmi Amavaru. See the locket. It's all made in diamonds and Pachi. Beautiful statement piece they have. See. You have to, Nidhi ma'am. You have to visit the store. and I'm wearing a diamond ring. And yes, you can order not the jewelry online. The saris I can help you with the online, ma'am. And this is a pearl bangle. How cute it is, see? It's all made in pearls and a diamond stone in between. I love the jewelry. I know even you guys love this jewelry. It's all a statement piece. This is how the jewelry is, ma'am. If I come little close, see, it's Lakshmi Amavaru with stones and this drops. It's beautiful. Don't forget to buy something like this in your life when you make a lot of money. Beautiful jewelry that is. And the jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers Andi. Pavanmo Jewelers, Panjagutta it is. It's in Hyderabad. You guys can customize your jewelry from them, and the earrings is also pretty. Earrings, I must zoom it for you guys. See, so beautiful they are. I wish to buy such kind of things. And you can put the martis, the pearls martis, if you want to look even more grand. Shaker. So this is what I'm wearing, Gandhi. Beautiful sari. So let's start the episode. Switch on. We can start the episode. Little back so that I can show the saris. Ma'am, I'm wearing a beautiful Banarasi georgette teamed up with a sleeveless blouse as usual. I so admire this sari because of the quality and the feel it carries. Swati Santosh, thank you. But I love the pendant, very nice it is, and this is what I'm wearing. Very beautiful Banarasi georgette, Banarasi tussar down. Ma'am, this is what I'm wearing, a beautiful Banarasi tussar. See how beautiful it is. Lovely sari it is. It's a lovely sari. No expression change. It's a beautiful Banarasi tussar and the border is amazing, ma'am. See the border? Very beautiful border, and look at the weave of the fabric. This is all hand weaving, Andi. And this is the border. I have this pallu. This is the pallu. The color is actually very bright than the video. 28,500. This is 28,500. It's a pure Banarasi tussar. Very lightweight, ma'am. See? It's like a georgette feel only. Tussar. Falling it is. And these are pure, no ma'am. These are pure fabrics, ma'am. Left chalu. Devda, Lavanya, na sinkap ku papa. Guna. Yes. So ma'am, this is what I'm wearing, a beautiful Banarasi tussar. Come here. I have colors in this, Andi. Let me show you the colors. You put it down, Babu. Yeah. I have colors in this sari. I'll show you. The one I'm wearing is a green. Green color, pure Banarasi tussar. See the border and everything. 28,500. I have purple also in this. Let me show you the purple. These all are the pure saris, ma'am. This is purple I have. Purple. Beautiful pure Banarasi tussar saris. 28,500 it is. It's 28,500. Beautiful Banarasi tussar sari, ma'am. And it's a falling fabric. This is how the pallu is. And you have a very pretty blouse also, ma'am. Blouse is also running. Don't miss this tussar saris, ma'am. These are very beautiful. So yeah, I'll sit and show everything to you. Ma'am, this is the Banarasi tussar sari, ma'am. It's purple with silver and antique weaving. Beautiful it is. It's a purple sari with silver and antique weaving, ma'am. And this is how the pallu is. This is 28,500 and 28,500, ma'am. And the blouse is this. You have a border strip like this. You guys can stitch it with the cap sleeve. Go with the cap sleeve or something like this. Cap sleeve village, ma'am. You guys can team up with a cap sleeve. It looks nice. 28,500. I have one more color in this, but in this you have the weaving of silver and gold. I have multicolor weaving also. This is how beautiful it is. The other. This is little different version of green. What I wore has a gold weaving, and what this sari has is a silver weaving. This is all silver weaving, if you notice. And look at the entire contrast zari. Beautiful sari this is. This is how it is, Andy. Lovely sari it is. This is also 28,500. Classy, elegant saris all these are. If anybody is interested, you guys can team up with silver blouse also. Something different if you want to experiment it. 28,500. Yes, next we have the silver, beautiful silver weaving border. These all are the pure handlooms. These all are the beautiful silver sarees, Andy. Lovely it is. See how beautiful it is. Come close, Babu. Ma'am, this is how the saree is with this border. See the border, it's all weaved with meenakari flowers. Look at the floral design. This is all weaving, ma'am. This is all hand woven. You see the weaving at the back. It's not a print at all. It's all hand weaving. Stitching is available, ma'am. Don't worry. But just give us some time. Varalakshmi Vratam is also coming up. In this I have colors, ma'am. This is red what I'm showing you with this beautiful Paithani style of weaving. And this pallu. And the blouse is in red color. This is the blouse, red blouse. It's like this. People who want something really different, you guys can try it. Next I have a blue color sari in this, very beautiful, pure tussar. You see the border and everything. This is how the border is, and this is all weaving. Look at the back of the sari so that you guys can be confident when you buy, because these are pure handlooms. Price, the price of this sari is 21,000. It's 21,000. It's there, 21,000. The first one you have to write. Beautiful red and silver. Yes, ma'am, we are located in India, Hyderabad, Telangana. I have a blue with silver also in that. Very beautiful blue. Koncham venaki. Very beautiful blue and silver sari it is. Deep navy blue only. And this is all weaving on the border. These all are very exclusive pieces, not the regularly available saris. This is how it is. Beautiful sari it is. People who want something different, you guys can team up. Blue sari with a Paithani style of border and weaving. This is how it is. Lovely sari. 21,000 rupees only. The price of this sari is 21,000 rupees. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is orange. Very beautiful orange color sari with this border. Look at this exclusive border. Lovely saris these are. Ma'am, in this you get semi as well as pure. Show the blouse, Papa, for this. These are the pure tussars, and this is the blouse. It's like this. Orange color sari is also very beautiful. This is how the orange sari with this pythony style of border. See, the weaving itself is so unique, ma'am. Very unique saris these are. 21,000 rupees only. Beautiful sari they are. It's all a falling and a body hugging material, ma'am. One of its kind you guys can wear. Not the regular ones. This is bottle green with a pythony style of border. Bottle green this is. Very beautiful bottle green this is with this border. Little back. This is a very beautiful bottle green. See, this is how the pallu is. This is how the border is, only very beautiful border. 22,500 this is, and this is how the blouse is with this border. Lovely bottle green pythony style sari. Pure Banarasi tussars these are. Next. Wow, snuff color it is what I have. Let me show what I am wearing also. This is what I am wearing. Whoever is interested, this is how it looks. Whoever is interested, please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Please take a screenshot. Amulu garu, hi. Ratna Konduru, hi. It is not Georgette, ma'am, it's tussar. Very beautiful saris these are. This is a snuff color sari. Dark brown. Beautiful dark brown snuff color. Pure Banarasi tussar with this silver border. The color is very bright directly. Pallu. You guys can team up with a silver blouse or a self blouse. This is the self blouse. See the sari, Andy? Border and everything. It's all a hand woven sari. These are tussar georgettes only, you call it, ma'am. Banarasi tussar georgettes you call it. This is how it looks. Very beautiful Banarasi sari it is. Tussar georgettes. Lovely saris they are. 21,000. Next we have a Rani pink. Beautiful Rani pink Banarasi tussar georgette. Lovely they look. These all are the exclusive saris, ma'am. With this pallu. How much you charge for shipping to Canada? Ma'am, it depends on the weight, ma'am. My team would assist you in a better way, ma'am, because prices and all in detail. This is a Rani pink combination. This is how it is. Rani pink with a silver weaving. Lovely Banarasi sari it is. I love this color, ma'am. All over the motifs, it's all woven. It's all hand woven. I'll show you the back so that you guys can trust it. See the back, ma'am. It's all weaving. This is all hand woven. Nice, pretty sari this is. Rani pink color with silver. Any jewelry can go well with this sari. Something like this. Price. The price of this sari is 18,000 rupees only. 18,000 rupees it is. Your collection looks elegant. Swati ma'am, thank you. Yeah. Next I have a deep blue one. Deep blue tussar georgettes. Pure Banarasi tussar georgettes. Lovely it looks. Hi Sunita Garu. And this is how the border is and the booties and everything. And this is how the pallu is, only. Beautiful Banarasi tussar georgette. 18,000 rupees only. This is also 18,000 and the live I'm doing is from road number 2 Banjara Hills, ma'am. Opposite to Birthplace and in the road of LV Prasad Eye Institute. Towards right side we are located. Opposite to Birthplace. This is again my beautiful and favorite sari, bottle green. I have explained you this border. See the lovely border. Very beautiful border it is. It's a traditional sari andi. Lovely and a beautiful Banarasi traditional sari. And this is how the entire pallu is. 18,000 rupees only this is. Orange and brown, it's 21,500, ma'am, if I'm not wrong. Let me show you. Is that the same sari you're trying to refer? Open cheyega ma picture say. Ma'am, this is the sari you're talking about, right? Orange and brown. Fresh color, ma'am. This is very beautiful color. Enta nana? 21,000? Ma'am, this is 21,500. This is how the sari is. Next I have a yellow color. Light yellow color sari it is. Beautiful yellow with silver. Lovely sari this is. The color is brighter than the video. This is the pallu. All over weaving it has, and this is the blouse. 18,000 rupees only it is. 18,000 rupees. You guys can see the quality and everything. Fold everything and put ready. Suma ma'am, hi. Hey, this is purple again. Beautiful purple. Lovely it looks. Very beautiful sari. Excellent purple sari with weaving. Last time I wore, I hope you guys remember. Something like this you guys can team up. Sandy Garu, hi. Suma Paturi ma'am, hi. Very beautiful pure Banarasi sari with antique weaving. You see, this is all weaving. I'll show you from the back so that you guys will be able to see. See the weaving from the back. Excellent Banarasi sari, ma'am. You guys can team up with band colors or something. It looks really nice. 18,000 rupees only this sari is. Next I have a blue Banarasi tussar. Excellent blue color Banarasi tussar sari. See how beautiful it is. This is a lovely sari. This is the border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Very smart sari, ma'am. This is with silver weaving. Hi Naglakshmi Garu. Shweta Garu, hi. Ma'am, this sari is also very nice. This sari is also very beautiful, ma'am. Lovely sari it is. See? The price of this sari is 22,500. Lovely, ma'am, it is 22,500. Next I have a bottle green with a small pythony border. This is how it is. Bottle green with a very small pythony border. The price of this sari is 19,500. Lovely tussar sari it is. Pure tussars, but tussar georgette. This is how the pallu is. Excellent pallu it is. And this is the blouse. Shashi madam, good evening. Hi, good evening, Andy. Beautiful tussar it is. 19,500, ma'am. These all are the pure saris. And it's all hand woven. This is how it is at the back. Beautiful, beautiful saris. Elegant, pure tussar saris. Next I have one more Rani pink. Lakshmi Garu, hi. Beautiful Rani pink. We have seen the similar sari in blue color. This is in Rani pink. Beautiful, no? 22,500 Lakshmi Garu, this is 22,500. Me neck chain super, ma'am. Thank you. I don't know the price of neck chain, Andy. Yeah, it's super actually. And the earrings are also very nice. Ring and hand one. And this all beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers. I pinged the other blue sari. I didn't get any answer. Guys, you're getting the response, I think. Check it out. Please ping on 99490. Shashi, I want a pure organza. You became an angel in pandemic. The way you explain is very impressive. Excellent collection. All credit goes to you only, Shashi. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. This is one beautiful Rani pink Tussar Georgette. Lovely it looks, ma'am. See? The color, everything is nice. This is how the sari is, Andy. Pure pink. And the entire sari is also lovely. It's like this. With this silver pallu. And you guys can team up with a silver blouse or a pink blouse. 22,500 this is. The price of the sari is 22,500. We have seen a green color, right? We have seen a green color with Pythony small border, 19,500. This is the blue one in that. This is a blue one. Beautiful sari it is. And this is the pallu. This is a beautiful pallu. And blouse. Would be in silver border. Ma'am, these are those exclusive, elegant handloom saris. So people who love handlooms, you guys can pick something like this. Reshma Garu, thank you, Andy. 19,500. It's a deep navy blue sari. In the video, it is coming little light. 19,500. This is brown color sari. Brown pure Banarasi Tussar Georgette. These all are the falling Georgettes. Banarasi Tussar falling Georgettes. Lovely it looks. This is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse. Pure Banarasi Tussar. Pounds, ma'am. How much is 21,000 in pounds? Can you Google? So that, ma'am, wait, I'll Google and tell you. 21,000 in pounds. Pounds. 203 pounds, ma'am, it is. 203 pounds. 203 pounds, ma'am. My London clients. This is a beautiful brown Banarasi Tussar. This is 18,000 rupees only. This is 18,000. This is 18,000 rupees. Ravi Tejasvi Garu, hi. Yellow color. Pure yellow color Banarasi sari this is. Lovely it looks, Sandy. Very nice sari. Mango yellow, it's exactly mango yellow, and something like pearls will go very smart with yellow. Or any dark color saris, the pearl chains go well. And this is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse with the border. You guys can stitch the border. This is 22,500. This is 22,500 because it has multicolor zaris. This is a pink zari. This is silver. These all are the pure ones. Lovely saris these are. Next I have red. Wow, blood red. See this blood red? It's a lovely red color sari, Andy. It's a lovely red color saree, chala baagundi. This is how the pallu is andi, and this is the blouse. Beautiful red, papa tippiva. Beautiful red color saree. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. My team would love to assist you guys. My team would love to assist you guys. The episode I'm showing you guys is pure Banarasi Georgettes. Tussar Georgettes andi. They are very exclusive in the look and everything. The fall, the feel, everything is so beautiful about the sarees andi. I have red, green and purple. I have red color, green color and purple color. Very beautiful red color. What I'm showing you is also very beautiful red. See the red color andi. This is how the color. I like the yellow one, ma'am. Shashi madam, how? Okay. Sorry, I like the red color with the silver border. Beautiful saree this is. You get a red blouse with a silver zari. This is how the red blouse is only. You guys can team it up like this. Hi Deepika. So 22,500 is the price of the saree. Another bottle green I have. Very beautiful bottle green with this border. Beautiful bottle green saree andi with this border. Oh, Shashi Khera, you booked the brown one? Nice. Hi guys. This is a beautiful bottle green with a small pythony style border. Look at the entire pallu. It's all hand woven, ma'am. And the saree is also hand woven. This is the blouse. 19,500 this one is. See, and the bound no. 19,500. What I'm showing you now. Nice pearl chain also looks very elegant onto that. This is how it looks Sunday. Next. This is a Rani pink in a different booty andi. Rani pink saree. Pure Banarasi tussar. This is how it looks. This is how it looks Andy. Akka, you're looking awesome. Thank you. Hi Shashi, you're an inspiration to many young entrepreneurs. Thank you. Wish you all the best actually. This with the silver zari. See, these chains look very smart onto this. This set is made in diamonds, ma'am. And the motifs are also pretty on the saree. Blouse better outside. Lovely pure pink Banarasi Georgette, Tussar Georgette with this blouse. Ma'am, this is how it looks. Beautiful, no? Thank you, Nana. Every saree looks good on you. Thank you, ma'am. Hi Shashi ma'am, your presentation is so good. Thank you. This is a lovely Rani pink color saree and don't miss this. Next again, my favorite purple it is. This is the purple. I love this saree. It's a purple color. My favorite saree again. Pure Banaras. I so wish to wear something like this always. Beautiful saree, ma'am. This is very beautiful purple. Nana blouse better. Excellent saree, ma'am. This is. Entha bound tumba chennagida. This is. This is how it looks. Nice purple color sari with a purple color blouse. Super, no? I know, even I love this. Amazing it is. This sari is 26,100. Lovely sari it is. Pure zari. This is all pure Banarasi zari. Ma'am, this is all pure Banarasi zari. Very beautiful sari. See this one? Look at the quality of the zari, quality of the weaving and everything. This is all hand woven sari, ma'am. It's all hand woven. Excellent it is. And the pallu, you see the richness of the zari, silver zari. Very beautiful pallu. My favorite this is, I'm just showing you again. Look at the entire weaving. 26,100 this is. Very beautiful, Andy. Next. Wow, yet another green. One more green sari with an antique border. No, not antique, gold border this is. Beautiful green sari with a gold border. Lovely sari this is. This is how it looks. This is how the sari is, Andy, with the complete weaving. This is the weaving I was talking about. And this is the pallu. How much was the sari similar to this? Check that once. Ma'am, these saris look very nice actually. This sari is 16,200, Andy. This sari is 16,200. And the beautiful jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewellers, Andy. Pavanmo Jewellers, Panjagutta. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is also my favorite sari again. This is again my favorite sari. I love these kind of antique borders. Very old style tradition this is. Oh my god, this sari is so beautiful. It's all, see the weaving, antique. The weaving is in antique color. 16,200 is the price. This is how it is. Blue, navy blue. Hi ma'am, hi. Hi ma'am. Thank you ma'am. So sweet, thank you ma'am. This is a beautiful blue color, Andy. Blue Banarasi. Tussar Georgette this is. Look at the entire weaving, it's made in silver color. ఒక్కసారి అటు చూపించి పాపను వేసుకొని చూపించి సారి show my sari. So a lot of people were asking for the full picture, right? This is how the sari looks. Lovely green, right? And this is the blue I was talking about. Beautiful blue color sari. All over the sari it's all weaving with a silver zari and a pink color border. Sorry, pink color flowers. Beautiful it is. Next one more. Yellow. Let me do yellow. This is the yellow one. This is yellow sari with silver. And multicolor zari. Very beautiful sari this is. This is all pure zari in the border if you notice. And this is how the pallu is and the blouse. 22,500. It's a pure Banarasi tussar. Lovely it looks. Pure Banarasi tussar. That one. This is 26,100. That is 22,000. Oh, sorry. This is 26,100, ma'am. They have shown you in the purple also. No, this is 26,100. This is brown. Pure Banarasi tussar georgette. Beautiful pure Banarasi tussar georgette. This is all weaving on the sari. It's all weaving completely. You have multicolor meenakari weaving also in the sari. If I come little close, this is how it is. This is how it is. And this is the pallu. You have a brown running blouse. The price of this sari is 18,800 only. 18,800. Next. It's a green one, bottle green with silver border. Similar to the sari color what I wore. This is similar to the sari color what I wore. $18,800. The sari is 18,800 with this beautiful pallu. Oh, this is my favorite again. Red color sari. Pure red. Excellent sari. This is excellent sari. Pure red color sari. This is all hand woven. These all are the body hugging saris only, Andy. Already opened. These all are the body hugging saris. I have red and I have pink also. Turn no, so I can show. And this is how the pallu is. Ma'am, it's a beautiful sari. This chain. This is my favorite sari. The weaving, everything is so nice. I have Rani pink also in this. Beautiful Rani pink. Thank you for understanding once. Excellent sari, excellent and excellent Banarasi sari. This is pure Banarasi. This weaving, everything is nice. I have pink also in this. Let me show you the pink. This is pink. This is pink with silver weaving. Shilpa garu, hi. Very beautiful pink with silver Banarasi sari. The price of this sari is 24,300. And this is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse. Nice, no? I'll show you the weaving. You see the weaving only. This is all handmade weaving. And this is the weaving at the back. See? Beautiful pink. Rani pink sari. And red sari. Pure red color sari this is. If I would have worn red today, it would have been like this. Come. This is how the saris are, Andy. Pure Banarasi tussar georgettes. And I just have 2-3 saris left out. We showed that, no? Now we'll show one by one. Madhupriya ma'am, సారీ ఎక్కడైనా స్టోర్లోకి ఇలా సరిగ్గా రిసీవ్ చేసుకోకపోయిండే. Very beautiful Banarasi red color sari in this weaving and this pallu. 24,000 change. This is 24,000 change. Don't miss this sari. I didn't want to remove. Andike kasepu veskunnanu ini. I have a bottle green with a small pythony style border. 19,000 change. Sampati, Sam, bike pettu okasari. Sam, turning border Gadwals ee weekend pettukuntanu. Okay na, I mean Saturday or Sunday I'll source it for you guys. Few good Gadwals are coming up, definitely. What are you guys wearing for this Varalakshmi Vratam? Please let us know. We will be able to help you with that. 19,100. This is a brown color sari and lovely it is. Very beautiful brown. Unique sari ma'am. This is unique sari it is. Come. It's a brown with a copper sulphate blue flowers and silver border. This is how the pallu is. I'll be wearing Mugda sari for Varalakshmi Ratham. Anu Kiran, thank you ma'am. Make sure you guys send us a picture of that. Sam, turning border Gadwals noted. We can turning border Gadwals. This is the blouse. Price 18,800. This sari is 18,800. Next I have the last two saris only. This is a pure red color. Pure red color sari this is. Thank you. This is a pure red color sari. You did not answer my question. Vagdevi ma'am ento cheppandi miss ayyunte sorry. This is a pure pallu. 18,800 even this one is. Lovely pure red color tussar georgette. It's similar to the purple one. Oh my god, this is also so beautiful color. Pure Banarasi tussar georgette only. If you put the chain and all, it looks like this. Nice, no? The one I'm wearing is 28,500 and this is the pallu. This is 18,800. Adi veru kada. కరెక్ట్గా చూసుకోండి పర్పుల్ ఉండింది కదా అది వేరే 18,800 ఓన్లీ అండి దిస్ సారీ ఇస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కలర్ ఇస్ సో నైస్ వైబ్రెంట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ప్యూర్ సిల్వర్ show some satin work sarees with cut work borders. Do you guys have organza sarees? Organdi ma'am, I have to check it out. Which one is that exactly you're referring? Organdi. Okay, let me check it out. This is 18,800 andi. Beautiful saree this is. The last brown saree andi. The last brown saree this is. Beautiful it is. With a pythony style border and pallu. Yeah, perfect. Come sir. This is how the sari is. I am done with this Banarasi tussar falling georgettes. చూపించాం కదా నాన్న ఫస్ట్ అదే కదా full length gowns okay. Okay ma'am, నాకు తెలియదు మ్యామ్ ఆర్గాండి నేను ఒక్కసారి రీసెర్చ్ చేసి I'll try to source it for you guys. I'll try to source it for you guys. Whoever likes it, please take a screenshot and send it on 994904. Done. What is the price of the sari you're wearing? Kavita ma'am, it's 28,500, Kavita ma'am. Any Kanchipuram saris below 15k we have, ma'am. What else do we have, Babu? Can you get one-on-one so that I can quickly finish it off? Kathan saris. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, hi. This is the purple, beautiful purple I've shown. Don't miss this sari. It's my favorite of all. I have shown you guys purple. I have shown you guys yellow. Yellow with silver. I have shown you, careful. You have to be very careful when you're working. This is green with Pythony style of border. These are expensive sarees. Chana jagrata handle cheyali. This is a blue color andi. Blue color with this silver border. Next, this orange and brown, I think it's sold, I'm not sure. Somebody was saying that they bought it. So, this is one beautiful sari, ma'am. Orange with purple. And this is green. Brown with antique border sari is available. I have to check that out. Naga, idunda poinda? Ma'am, first come, first serve basis. Prastutaaniki aithe undanta. Earrings, somebody was asking the earrings. These are the earrings. This is the Pythony sari style. Babu, నేను వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో పర్పుల్ అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పర్పుల్ నేను వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో. This is also beautiful. Lovely, lovely sari. It is purple. I wore a green. This is red color andi. This is red. Beautiful red. I have shown you. This is the Rani pink I have shown you. Give me this size only. This is the Rani pink. Ma'am, these all are 20,000, 18,000, 25, 26 like that, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am. This is blue. Price, what's the price of this, Babu? 18,000 change. This is 16,200. This is 16,200. Next, this is brown, 18,000 change again. I've shown you. Anni line ko bete nana. Ahmed line pe laga. That's why don't open. It's easy for you guys, no? Chupichu. This is also brown. Next. This is Rani pink with a silver border. Next. This is yellow with silver border. Next. This is green with booties. Red with silver. Very beautiful and comfortable sarees, ma'am. These are, see? It's nice. This is red with silver. I'm trying to show you complete sari like this. Very beautiful it is. With this weaving. Lovely sari it is. And then there is pink. This is also my favorite sari. Amar Deepthi ma'am, you bought the brown one. Okay, okay. You have small Pythony style. Ma'am, Pythonies also, the coming week I'll keep it ready for you guys. Sure. This is the green one with the border. This is brown. And this is similar to what I wore. This is also a lovely sari, guys. Don't miss this. This is the red one. Brown, your favorite, of course. Browns I love. This is also nice. Ma'am, you just need to team up smartly, ma'am. Orange with brown border for taking pick anta. Chinna orange with brown border anta bidda iskara. This is also nice. కమింగ్ వీకెండ్ ఇస్ లాంగ్ వీకెండ్. శామ్ నువ్వు నాకు అన్నీ ఇవ్వాలని ఇలాంటి అన్నీ చెప్పాలి అప్పుడు. అంటే ఫ్రైడే సాటర్డే సండేనా లేకపోతే సాటర్డే సండే మండేనా? నేను మండే ఉన్నాను. ఐ థింక్ ఫ్రైడే సాటర్డే సండే రైట్. రాణి పింక్, సారీ గైస్, somebody was asking this saree, to take a picture. Which brown, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am? Which brown? I missed it. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, you don't have this color, this type of saree because I know everything what you have in your wardrobe. Sam, even you don't have this type. This is the brown. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. So we all will have Jintak and Saturday, Sunday and Monday. What is the time in US now? 6 ఇప్పుడు ఎంత? సారీ, ఇక్కడే 8:15 అయిందంటే అక్కడ 10 అయి ఉంటుందేమో. Ma'am, so don't miss this sarees. Beautiful collection. And now you guys can let me know which one you want to see the next episode so that I can be ready with that. 10 to 12,000 sarees అంటే ఒకసారి తీసుకునండి. కంచిపట్టులో అటు స్ట్రైట్ ఉంటుంది. Ma'am, this beautiful look is by Pavan Mo Jewellers andi. Pavan Mo Jewellers, Panjagutta. Which branch? This is road number 2, Banjara Hills, ma'am. Eastern San Francisco is 8 AM Eastern time. అంటే యూఎస్ మొత్తంలో ఏ టైమో చెప్పరా నాకు ప్లీజ్. 11 అయిందా? ఓకే ఓకే, అంటే యావరేజ్గా మీకు ఒక 10 అయి ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు. 9 to 10 అయితే లేచి ఉంటారు. దేనికి అంతగా ఊగేస్తున్నారు? కిడ్స్ లెహెంగాస్ విల్ యూ టెలికాస్ట్ అగైన్? చూపిస్తాను మ్యామ్. 10 to 15,000 రేంజ్ కంచిపట్టు సారీస్ అడిగారు కదా పీపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ మై చాయిస్ ఓన్లీ మ్యామ్. ఓకే, 12,900. This saree cost is 12,900. I don't want to open them because these all are the pure Kanchiputtu sarees. Pure good quality sarees, ma'am. But come soon. Okay. This is the other saree. Mega ma'am, hi. Orange saree price enta bidda? Chudupo. Ma'am, this is also a nice collection. Sorry ma'am, sorry. The midnight, late night episode, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, you sleep. If not, your husband or your kids will kill me. Shashi don't have any work.
21,500.
The orange and the brown. Orange and the brown is 21,500, ma'am. This is bottle green. This is nice saree. I want to open this saree. Patola saree is okay. Running blouse and a contrast swarupa, ma'am. Contrast untundi. This is also 12,900. Baundi cheera. This is a nice green. Give me. Abbo, this is a nice green saree with this border. For such kind of sarees, the pallu and everything looks very nice. నాకు ఎవరైనా రావాలి ఇక్కడ. పాపా పాపా క్లయింట్తో ఉన్నావా? మ్యామ్, దిస్ ఇస్ అ బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ సారీ మ్యామ్. 12,900 only. Don't miss these sarees with a blue blouse. Any brown color saree in Kanchipuram. This is a nice saree, this pearls is going very nice on this saree. 12,900. Ma'am, affordable price, ma'am. These are affordable price with a contrast blouse. You go, Papa. Next, you have a blue color saree, 12,900. Even this one is. Archana garu, hi. Get the dark colors only, This is a parrot green. Good dude nadival ma store lo. I'm good, ma'am. Show once that pink saree. Which pink, ma'am? Banarasi? Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, you're talking about this pink? I'll open for you. Tassar saree, it seems. Pink tassar saree. Ma'am, this is also a nice green color actually. Bottle green. Beautiful it is. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, for your taste, I can recommend something like this for you. Inko pink kuda undi. These are the statement pieces. Beautiful pure sari this is. I don't know ma'am ఏది అడిగారు బట్ ఇది కూడా చూపించు మ్యామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో పింక్.
మేడం ఇదే టేస్ట్ భువనేశ్వరి తీసుకుంటే
అమ్మా నీకు తెలుసా భువనేశ్వరి మేడం వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళినావా చూసినావా మేడం టేస్ట్ ఇది తీసుకుంటారు మేడం అంట చూడండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద బార్డర్
20 బిలో
20 బిలో. చాలు నాన్న మళ్ళీ చేద్దాం ఒక ఎపిసోడ్ పర్వాలేదు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పింక్. హాయ్ అక్క నైస్ నెక్ పీస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. మా వాళ్ళ బ్లౌజులు కూడా ఎంత బాగా కుడతారు చూసిరా మ్యామ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అ నైస్ బ్లౌజ్ జస్ట్ వెరీ స్ట్రైట్ అండ్ ఫిటెడ్. దిస్ ఈస్ బ్లూ. Anybody is interested, you guys can buy them. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, you have to tell me which one you want to book. This is 12,900 only. Both pink saree prices. Ento oksa cheppandi malla. This is blue. Lovely color, no? Yeah, even I like this color. If I open, it's like this. Tell me two saree prices, huh? Okay. Nana. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, with this heavy zari, this is నేను ఏదో పెద్ద మెసేజ్ మిస్ అయినా తిట్టిరో పొగిడిరో తెలియదు మళ్ళీ చదువుతా మేడం. దిస్ సారీ ఇస్ 24,300. దిస్ సారీ ఇస్ 24,300. దిస్ సారీ ఇస్ 22,500. దిస్ సారీ. విచ్ వన్ యూ వాంట్ మ్యామ్? Pink Banaras Tussar. Suma ma'am, I showed just now. I think I am done. How much this blue? This is yellow ma'am. Yellow. Sorry. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am want the 22,500 one. This one only, no? Ma'am, shall I book this for you? తప్పకుండా మ్యామ్ తప్పకుండా. కెన్ యూ షో ద 12,900 రూపీస్ సారీ కలర్? విచ్ కలర్ యూ వాంట్ సీ? ठीक है, అది భువనేశ్వరి మేడం గంట పెట్టే అది 22,500. మ్యామ్ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ యూ ద టీమ్ సో that's a sure saree ma'am will buy. Which saree? Somebody want to see the 12,900 last bottle green, ma'am. This is one bottle green. Adi blue. Kaadu. Idi blue. Drape that saree, Shashi. Pink, ma'am. If I drape, what is that I'm gonna get, ma'am? What are you sending me from Chennai? Get that Bhuvaneshwari ma'am saree. I have to drape it. Hi. Rocher Ferraro box. I'll wear 2 times. 2 boxes ki 2 times వేసుకుంటాను. Deepika ma'am, which saree you want me to open? The festive season has started. Everybody is so busy with the shopping and everything. Ma'am, pink one for you. Lovely saree ma'am, no doubt in this. You're lucky to me. So sweet, thank you. Ma'am, this is the pink one. It's beautiful one. And this is the Pallu Bhuvaneshwari ma'am. Lovely pink. Bottle green. Somebody want me to open the bottle green? Open this one in here. Hi, come. Jara, what's your name? Datvik or Satvik? Datvika Satvika Rani Peru. Say hi to Datvik Andi, my little one in the store. దేనికి వచ్చావు? షాపింగ్కి వచ్చావా? తమ్ముడా? ఏ క్లాసు? నువ్వు ఏ క్లాసు? ఏ క్లాస్ అంటే మర్చిపోయావా లేదా? ఏ క్లాస్ నువ్వు? అమ్మో వీడికి గుర్తుందండి, ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అంట. ఓకే నాన్న, ఆడుకోపో నాన్న. This is a bottle green. Somebody was asking for this bottle green for me to open. I have this in the blue also. 12,900 this is. With a contrast blouse. Come close. Beautiful saree andi. 12,900 only, with the contrast deep red blouse. Done. So many greens today. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. That's a contact number. How much is the price, pink? Hi Mugda. Padmini ma'am, hi. Akka, you have pattu lehengas? I do have, Nana. Okay, 4-5 pattu lehengas. Any contrast borders, so. Aparna, hi. Hi Shashi, green with blue chupichandi. Green with blue edi, Babu. Green saree with blue border. This is one episode I'll do soon, ma'am. नहीं ये पट्टू लहंगा होता ना, ग्रीन साड़ी को ब्लू कलर बॉर्डर आएगा थे, अभी देखो कौन सा है वो. नो हाँ, ये नहीं पता है था. नॉट दिस वन. ऐसा ही रहता बड़ा वाला. मैम दिस सारी इज ऑल्सो नाइस एक्चुअली. ओपन చేస్తే చాలా బాగుంది. Festive season, you guys must visit our store, ma'am. It's all happening. We are just getting digged up for the Valakshmi Vratam. ఎందుకంటే అది స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిందంటే మాకు అన్ని పండుగలు స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతాయి. మస్తు తయారవ్వచ్చు. My jewelry I'll show, ma'am. This is the blue color saree. If anybody want to see this, blue Kanchipuram saree, 12,900 only. The live I'm doing is from Banjara Hills, road number 2. And we have road number 36, Jubilee Hill store also. Hi Shashi ma'am, I want to buy saree for my daughter's saree ceremony. Swapna ma'am, tappakunda. మీకు ఏదైనా స్పెసిఫిక్గా కావాలంటే చెప్పండి. I'll schedule a video call, ma'am. Jewelry, okay. I'm becoming a jewelry this thing also. This is all made in pearls, ma'am. Okay, this is all made in pearls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ఒక 10 to 12 lines ఉన్నాయి మ్యామ్ దీంట్లో. And this is all made in Pachi. Ma'am, these earrings are in trend now. You see that complete kundans and all, no? It's like this. Those are the earrings and they look very pretty when you wear for occasions, ma'am. And this Ammavaru is made in all diamonds and Pachi. See the droplets. If you want, you guys can get something like earrings of this style also. Beautiful Ammavaru this is. Excellent, ma'am, and it's a statement. If you guys want little high also, like this also you guys can team up. It all depends on how you guys team up. పైకి వేసుకుంటే అయితే ఇంకా చక్కగా కనిపిస్తుంది ఇలా. థ్యాంక్ యూ పాప. ఇట్స్ లైక్ దిస్ మ్యామ్. ఎనీ బ్రౌన్ కలర్ సారీ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ కాంచీపురం. ఈ మేడం కొడతారే నన్ను, నువ్వు చూపి తొందరగా బ్రౌన్ కలర్ శారీ. Pattu lehengas we have, ma'am. Pattu lehengas, somebody was asking for the pattu lehengas. Green and red pattu lehenga. Blue with red kanchipattu lehenga with a blue with reddish pink. This is silver with pink Kanchipuram lehenga. I have so many, ma'am. Give the yellow and purple, that's enough. This is the red and green Kanchipattu lehenga, ma'am. Just for your idea, I'm showing. Looking for the saree with small borders, corporate style silk saree collection, please. Okay, Padmini ma'am. I'll do that one episode. We have that simple saree borders actually. This is yellow with purple. This is yellow and purple andi. Kanchipattu lehenga this is. Deep maroon diyamma. Leda wine color the first one. People who don't want to go with the contrast, we have self also. A blue ibnana, blue with silver ibu. This is also one lovely lehenga andi. Silver chunni team up cheyachu. You guys can go with the silver chunni. Next, give me this purple no saree. That's it, ma'am. This is the last saree I want to show in this episode. This wine purple price, ma'am, the one I'm showing you is 32,500, but it's very nice. Self. How to schedule a video call, Shashi? Ma'am, meeku ichina number meeda please ping once, ma'am. so that my team would show you. Rashmi, you got your saris. Pandaki sorted aite. Rashmi, she's my all-time client, ma'am, and a very good friend of mine. And she looks really hot. One of my hottest doctor, actually. This is the purple. Self color sari. Beautiful purple it is. Come.
Thank you.
Blouse చూపించు. Ma'am, this is a lovely sari. Pure Kanchipattu sari, ma'am. This is blouse సరిగ్గా పెట్టలేదు. Many people have top fan badge. Sam, Sam, all you guys are my regular clients, dear. And I enjoy working with you guys also. Definitely. This is the purple Kanchipattu sari, Andy. Lovely it is. Next one I'll show. So that's it, ma'am, for today. A brown chupira. Contact number chupira ఒకసారి. Ma'am, somebody was asking the dark brown in the Kanchipattu sari. Dark brown with a pink color combination this is. I remember you guys with your names and so connected you guys are. How can I forget, Papa? Beautiful brown Kanchipattu sari this is. See how beautiful it is. This is the last sari of this episode, Andy. That's it. That's also nice, no? And this is the blouse. Brown with pink combination this is. Brown and a pink combination it is. Lovely sari, ma'am. See the border and everything. This is how the sari is, ma'am. Lovely it looks. No, I am getting your messages, Gautami. Please tell me. This is how the pallu is, Andy. The last brown sari, Andy. This is the last brown, beautiful Kanchipattu sari with a pink border. See the quality of saris Mugdha has. Come, Nana. Done. Get the phone. చింత కీర్తన మ్యామ్ జస్ట్ 2 lakhs. ఏంటిది మేడం, ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో ఏది 2 lakhsది చూపించలేదు కదా మేము. సెటార్లు వేస్తున్నారా మ్యామ్? దిస్ ఈస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్రౌన్ అండ్ పింక్ లవ్లీ కాంచీపురం సారీ. దిస్ ఈస్ 23,500. దిస్ సారీ ఈస్ 23,500. కొంచెం కిందికి పెట్టరా. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద పల్లు. సో దట్స్ ఇట్ అండి. వీఆర్ డన్ విత్ దిస్ ఎపిసోడ్. So, ma'am, what is the next one? The next episode I haven't seen, ma'am. I'll just see and let you know. This beautiful sari is by Mugdha. This beautiful sari is by Mugdha. And this beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewellers, Panjagutta. Bye-bye. See you.